Well, good morning, everyone. I think I'm starting to catch a little something, but maybe that'll clear up. So today we're heading over to do a scrap job for Red Brush HQ for Devin. We planned on doing this a couple weeks back, a month back or so, but it got postponed. But get the tractor and the grapple all loaded up and ready to go. Going to get some tools loaded up, get headed over that way. It's gonna kind of be the start to clearing out his property to where he's gonna be building his working on his house and shop project. So I think we're gonna even give him a little hand with one of his truck projects he's got going on. So I'll get to show you guys a little bit of all that, but I'm gonna go ahead and get loaded up and we'll get on the road. Let's get to work. Alright, here we are. Trying to figure out if I can get in there without getting stuck. Well, I suppose we've got a tractor if we do, so let's give it a go. Somebody was out there doing donuts. Oh yeah, that's soft and mushy. Whew. Might need the four-wheel drive to get out, we'll find out. Alright, so all that back there is what we're going to be clearing out and removing. And then we're going to be doing a little work to the 7.3 today to get it mobile, so that way he can start working on it. Pretty excited to see how that's going to turn out. Race trucks are always fun. It'd be nice if I'd get mine done one of these days. It's warming up, so maybe I'll get working on it again. We'll see. But I'm gonna get this tractor offloaded, and yeah, as soon as them other boys get here with the trailer, we can start getting loaded up. Alright, here goes load number 1. Doesn't even look like we made a dent. I suppose that's a good thing though. Scrap prices are pretty decent. And there goes load number 2. That's much better.
That's good. Stand clear, make sure you have a good exit path.
Stand clear. There's a fucking dolly behind him.
I don't want to move back. See if we can catch some crazy shit on camera. Can you go up anymore? Tilt it back a little more. There we go. I ain't got enough space to get it on there.
Maybe it's heavy enough.
There you go. You can go down. Oh, I think he's stuck in the back. There's not enough. You need like 5 inches. Try to push. You might be able to push it.
Watch out.
Right there. Nice. Alright, 3 more. This thing is going to be struggling. see how this goes. They got one more tire here. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on here. A barrel. We're putting 3 more barrels on here and 2 big ass totes. This thing is gonna be struggling. They still got, I don't know if you can see all that over there. They still got all that shit over there to put on there, so we'll see how.
How bad's a squat?
Oh, it's bad. It's touching the ground, the trailer is.
Oh no.
Hopefully, I'm assuming you're putting them 2 big totes on the back.
They are. I'm hoping that levels it out.
Yeah, hopefully that gives it enough weight. They'll probably be able to roll that a lot easier if I didn't do a bunch of burns. I was literally telling Will as you were saying that, I was like, they'd probably be able to roll that better
that's why I said
if I didn't do donuts at it.
Yeah, no, I heard that. That's why I said it.
Hopefully those 2 big totes bring that trailer up because your tongue is touching, or your jack's touching the ground.
They can go on more.
Okay.
Go right. What?
That way, yeah. All right.
And straight around.
Okay.
Wow.
Nice.
Watch your heads.
Where's that going? Where's that going? That's how, where's that one going?
There's 2 more barrels. He's only got room for 1 more there.
I think he,
We have 2 more tubs over there.
oh yeah, I forgot about those.
2 tubs.
She's gonna be a load. I forgot about those other tubs over there. At least I guess that one's kind of empty.
If we could empty one, I used to cap something. Just throw it over the
Yeah, that one right there is kind of empty, so I mean,
Yeah. I'm thinking that's what's going to have to happen.
watch your head, Tad.
Hold on. Bring it on the rail again. Ready? All right, go down. Up.
We can go down, I think.
Up on a little bit. Push it down with the front grapple. Got it.
Yeah, that's metal from like 4 years ago. of them straps and the
heavy. I watched these back tires come up a bit. Hey, start by going straight into the pit.
Alright, so that's all the more video I got of the scrapping project. My GoPro batteries were done after that full day, and we pretty much packed up and rolled out of there after that. As you can tell, I did not clear up. I sound worse, but that's what you get this time of year. We came in, all 3 loads, total 3 loads was 10,003 pounds total. We removed out of there and got cleaned up, so pretty solid run. Good day's work. Glad we were able to get that cleaned up and get that area a little more ready for future projects for Red Brush over there. Hopefully there'll be videos that come in the near future of his shop and whatnot going up. We did get to mess around with the 7.3 he's got over there. I do have some footage of that. I will be doing a little more work with him on it, and then we will get a little video put out of that, so you guys will get to see some of that. It's been a busy day. So, but, oh yeah, one more thing I'll show you in recent development. Go outside here and flip this thing. We may or may not have bought another 8N. Why? Why not? I mean, you can't have too many 8Ns. No, it doesn't run, but that's okay. That just means, you know, we'll have to get that one running like we got the other one running. This one looks a little worse, but I have high hopes. I think it'll go good. So we'll be messing with that in the near future as well. So, but that's going to be it for this one. Thanks for watching. If you like what you saw, drop a subscribe, like, and yeah. Race truck stuff to come in the near future. Well, truck stuff. Maybe it'll be a race truck. Maybe it'll be a work truck. I don't know what he's going to do with it. Maybe he'll work it during the week and race it on the weekends. But subscribe, that way you don't miss it.